Civic for some new SpecD projectors.
As I mentioned in the last video, I noticed that the stock headlights had begun to show signs of aging, so I decided to bite the bullet on these SpecD projector headlights that I've had my eyes on for a while. To begin the installation, I removed the front bumper. I do not have a lot of the stock liners in plastic, so it was a lot simpler of a process than it might be for others. After removing the bumper, there are 3 10mm bolts holding the stock headlight in place. The bolt below the headlight is pretty far back and requires a fairly large extension to reach. Once the bolts are all out, be sure to disconnect all of the bulbs from the harness before removing the stock unit. You'll have to reuse the headlight bracket on the bottom of the OEM part and install it on the new projectors. As my corner light had gone bad, I replaced the bulb and reinstalled all of the bulb connectors. After splicing the wires for the LED bars, I removed the plastics for final installation. Here's a comparison of the SpecD headlights versus the stock with the blue HIDs. Now to repeat the same process on the other side.
So after I got done wiring the LEDs on the headlights, I realized that the kit came with connectors that didn't require you to splice into the wiring harness. But anyways, here's how I did it.
In order to wire the LEDs, I chose to splice into the corner lights, and by simply connecting the black to black and the red to white, the LEDs were now fully functional. After a bit of reinstallation, the car is ready to hit the road. Here's a quick look at the headlights with the LEDs on by itself, high beam, and normal lights.
Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the SpecD headlights, although I do kind of miss the blue HID, so I'm going to throw them on there. In terms of the next video, I will be shifting my focus towards suspension mods, and if you like the video, please like,